Hello everyone, my name is Salsabillah Putri PURBAYA. I'm from A5 and now I'm going to tell you about nouns because in English, nouns are very important. They are basic element of a sentence. So if you want to speak English, you need to know about the different kind of nouns. And now I'm going to try and teach you as well as I can. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's start with concrete nouns. Now in English, concrete nouns are people, places, or things, including animals that you can see, that you can smell, that you can taste, hear, or touch. Okay, so you can basically use your 5 senses. Let me give you a few examples. And if you could talk about people, you could say man, teacher, so Mr. Smith or Ranga, like that. Okay, if you could talk about places like a house, school, hospital, so like London or beach, that if you could say things like shoe, marker, a dog, a food like pizza, burger, these are concrete nouns. Okay, so let's move on to abstract nouns. Abstract nouns, unlike concrete nouns, are ideas, concept, emotion. So, and you can see an idea, you can smell a concept, you can taste an emotion, or hear or touch it. So they are nouns, they are things, they exist, but you cannot see them or taste them. You can use 5 senses. The example is like love, time, religion, rules. So these are all words that represent ideas, concepts. Okay, abstract nouns in English. Now let's get into the more detail about nouns. Let's now see the difference about common nouns and proper nouns, which are very important in English. So common nouns and proper nouns refer to people, places, things, and ideas. Like that. So let's see a few examples. We could talk about the people, for example, a woman in common nouns. So for in the proper nouns, it's a funny. Because proper nouns that becomes a proper noun with a capital F. Okay? Because and you should know proper nouns are always capitalized. Okay? And if you could talk about place like a city from common nouns, from the proper nouns like London, because a proper nouns always capitalized. Okay, I'm going to tell you about compound nouns. They are very common in English and there are thousands of them. You need to know about them. Okay, let's get started. A compound noun is made up of 2 different words. So you take 2 words, you put them together to create a new noun. They are usually quite easy to understand. For example, full moon. Full is obviously the adjective describing the moon. Okay? Sometimes compound nouns are a single noun, like toothpaste. So sometimes there are 2 or more words hyphenate, like such as mother-in-law. So and sometimes there are 2 separate words like ice cream. Now you have to be careful. Sometimes you have a simple adjective plus a noun like a greenhouse. But you also have a compound noun with a different meaning, a greenhouse. Now a greenhouse is a house which is green. So, but a compound noun, a greenhouse is a place where you grow plants. Okay, there are different meanings, so you guys must be careful for understand the meaning. So I have example from noun plus noun. It's like bedroom, so noun and verb like haircut, noun and preposition like passerby, verb and noun like washing machine. So verb and preposition like draw back. So preposition and noun like underground. So adjective and verb like dry cleaning. Adjective and noun like software. So the last is preposition and verb like input. Okay, do you get it, guys? Okay, maybe enough from me. I hope you guys understand what I say about nouns and accompaniments. So thank you for your attention, guys. See you again. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.